Now, yesterday, the Nio Stock went over by 5%, and this came after Macquarie initiated a buy rating on Nio and gave it a price target of around 37.7 US dollars. This is one of the low price target that Nio has recently received, because most of the analysts, you will know by now that majority of them, their price target on average is around 60 US dollars per stock. But this is still a good price target by Macquarie, because it just means that from where Nio is currently trading at, it's a good opportunity for you to load the boat on this stock, because it is set for greatness. And the fact that we are seeing more financial or more analysts coming to initiate buy ratings on Nio, or more big financial institutions coming to reiterate or to initiate a buy rating on Nio, it's something that should tell you as a retail investor that this is a stock which is just set to do very well, and it is currently trading at discounted prices, which I believe as a retail investor you should take these low trading levels as an opportunity for you to buy this Nio stock for the first time, or load the boat to lower down if your average is higher than where the share price is trading at. I mean, with Nio, there's just so much, or there's just so many companies. Some, or they are reiterating or increasing their price target on Nio. I mean, 2 weeks back, it was Credit Suisse which gave, or which maintained a buy rating on Nio, and it gave a price target of around $83 per stock, which is something that is truly amazing, and is showing or shows you the kind of potential that lies within this Nio stock. I mean, another analyst or another big financial institution that maintained its price target or increased their price target is Deutsche Bank. And with Deutsche Bank, you'll know that their price target for Nio is around $70 per stock, which again, it just shows you the kind of potential that lies within this Nio stock. I mean, I will say this again, I believe that Nio is offering some very good opportunity, and I'm telling you right now, there are so many people that 6 months down the line, a year down the line, are going to regret this opportunity which they are missing right now on Nio. So many of the investors or retail investors are going to say, I wish I had bought that stock when it was trading at the 30s. I wish I had averaged down and loaded more on that stock when it was trading in the 30s, which is something that I think right now it's the last days that I believe Nio is trading this low. The share price, of course, in the short term, I can't predict, or I don't know how it will unfold, but I can tell you the days are numbered for Nio trading at this low share price. These days are really numbered, and if you don't take the good opportunity of these low trading prices and load the boat on this Nio stock, then you are going to miss out on some good returns. Because me personally, I believe that Nio at this level this year, I believe that Nio is going to grow in share price by over 100%, and this is based on the developments, like I said in yesterday's video, that are to take place this year. Now, most of you might be asking as to why are big financial institutions increasing their price target. Like, for instance, why is Credit Suisse having a price target of $83 per stock on Nio? Are they crazy? What's the reason behind it? Well, Credit Suisse, we know that they had like a conference with Nio, where Nio CFO disclosed that this year they are targeting to deliver over 185,000 cars, which is something that is truly amazing, because this is 100% increase in terms of the delivery rate when we compare to the total deliveries they delivered in 2021, which is something that has to show you the potential and the growth that is within this Nio company, which is something that I believe that as a retail investor should be the one to motivate you to stay long onto this Nio stock, because it is just said to do very well. This is a stock with good future prospects. I mean, there's so many things, like I always emphasize, happening around this year, ET5, ET7, ES7, or potential ES7, which is something that is truly amazing and is the one that I believe will boost the deliveries in this Nio stock. And also, you must not forget that the factory that Nio is currently producing their cars in, which is Jack Nio, within this first half of 2022, we are to expect the production capacity to reach 300,000 vehicles, which is something that is truly amazing. And with Nio Park also set, or with Nio Park phase 1 also set to start with the production around the Q3 of 2022, you can all see it clear as to why is Nio one of the most favorite stocks in Wall Street. I mean, Nio, you will know by now that in Wall Street, Nio is currently a strong buy, meaning that the sentiment around this stock is very bullish. Yes, I know that the average purchase price on this Nio stock is around $60 per stock, which is a good opportunity, or which offers a good opportunity for me and you to load the boat on this stock. Otherwise, just in the last quarter, something that really brings a lot of interest to me, and I think it also has to bring a lot of interest to you, is that hedge funds in the last quarter, meaning that in the Q4 of 2021, increased 3.54 million shares on this Nio stock. So they acquired more shares, or they acquired 3.54 million shares, which is something that is incredible and shows you the kind of sentiment, the kind, or the thing that these big financial institutions are doing with the Nio stock. They are loading the boat, which is something that is incredible, because this just means that it is not only us, the retail investors, that are seeing the potential on this Nio stock. It is not only us, the retail investors, that are loading the boat on this Nio stock, but even the big guns, the big fishes, are loading the boat on these stocks because they see the potential that lies within this Nio stock. Now, next week, guys, there are some big news happening around Nio, or there will be a certain event taking place from this Nio stock. I'll cover it in my next video, so please just stay tuned, because I believe that from next week, Nio, we will be seeing more good news coming out of this company. So I'm very excited about next week, because next week there are some big news, or there are some big moves that Nio will be doing, which is the one that makes me to have goosebumps, because it looks like the future is so bright for this stock. Otherwise, don't forget that this video was just for entertainment purposes, and you should not take it as a financial advice video. Otherwise, if you seek professional financial advice, you already know what to do, and that is you need to go and consult the professionals. Otherwise, if you like the content or this video that I was giving you about the Nio stock, please don't forget to hit that likes button, comment, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you every time I release a video. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. And hey, before you can load the boat or initiate a buy rating on Nio, please don't forget to do your own due diligence, so that at least you can be comfortable when you're investing into this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. Yeah, God bless you all.